this right here is what I believe, which you can tell by the title, what I think is the best tire setup for a STANCE E36. Now, before you guys even go to commenting, no, you're so dumb. Obviously it's subjective. I think that's the word you could use. This is obviously my opinion. You know, some people like that meteor look, but personally, I wanted to go lower and I could not achieve that with the tires. And I believe that my fenders are already rolled. Obviously that changes with each wheel size. I'm running STANCE 66 squares, so it's a set of all fronts. If you didn't know, STANCE 66s come from a 5 Series BMW, I believe. And they are 8 wide in the front and a 9 wide in the rear. So with my set being full fronts, I kept all the tires the same. But a lot of people, when they get this set of wheels, they get the 2 front 8s and then the 2 rear are 9s. So they would go 205 in the front and 215 in the rear, which makes sense because they end up kind of looking the same, like the same amount of stretch. So yeah, load these up and let's go see. Alright, well, I've got the truck all loaded up, all the tires in there, all the wheels in there. I don't think anything will fall out. Probably not, they're pretty heavy, right? This is how I left the car. It scares the shit out of me to leave it like this, but we put in some precautions, put the drift donuts in there, and I also left the jack under there. Just dropped off my wheels at this place called Rolling Wheels. He said he was able to do it. He did one of them and it looked like it turned out pretty sick. Like it wasn't too crazy of a stretch. But yeah, I'm gonna head to class right now and then I'm gonna pick them up on the way back and then we'll get them on the car when we get home. Quick little eat before class. Class starts in 12 minutes, but we're probably gonna be late, but I hate learning while I'm hungry. And I woke up with a massive headache. So we stopped for some Chick-fil-A. I had food at the house, but since I was rushing to get out of the house, I didn't eat. So, sorry Mom for watching this. I should have ate at home. But we're jamming. If I could have one sponsor, it'd probably be Chick-fil-A. This is damn. I should be hitting. Just got out of class. Now we're sitting in some traffic, but luckily the place is just up the road. They close at 6 and it's 5:30, so we're just barely making it. Here they are. That looks really sick to me. Yeah, it's pretty small, you know, they're not that wide. 8 wide is not that wide, but I don't know. Let's unload them. Check that out. Pretty not that aggressive of a stretch. So day 2, and looking in here, I noticed how high I basically have this set, the front set, as high as it can go. I don't know if you could tell that, but look at how much lower we could go. There's no way that the car could sit that much lower, but we're definitely gonna go down like an inch or so, put the car down, see how it looks, and yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna get started on that. Righty. Damn. So I'm gonna lower down my locking collar. So motherfucker, dude. Obviously, we're not gonna be able to get them super tight. That's how we're looking. It's looking like little rubber bands, but hopefully, after adjusting those coilovers, we're gonna sit a little bit lower. And I think I'm gonna probably want spacers, because I definitely feel like if you look from right here, it's flush and even pokes out a little bit, but I feel like it's gonna tuck once it's on the ground into here. And I want like the sidewall right here to be flush with this. So maybe like, I don't know how spacers work, maybe 1/4 inch. I don't know if that's a lot, but we'll have to test them out. This is stupid lit. This looks so fire. I absolutely can't believe it. I mean, I knew it was gonna be like this, but we may have to go just a tad bit up on this side and then a tad bit down on this side. This side's like, see, I want that much lower, because once I get that spacer, it's gonna push it onto here. So there was no need of like film repetitiveness. So I just got all the wheels on and everything kind of dialed. I ended up just maxing out the rears. They're still sitting a bit higher than I thought. I thought it would get to like the lip of the wheel. But what I was hoping for was it to be like at least right there. And it might. But yeah, we're not rubbing anywhere. We get kind of close here, but I think that that's gonna get fixed with the alignment, because I can tell that the wheel is like a bit slanted this way. I don't know if you guys can see how much space there is in there, but I think we're gonna go take it to get aligned. I'm glad I actually didn't mess with the front, because they ended up kind of settling to be about the same height. Where we at? Just pulled up. High-tech suspension. Drop off these keys real quick. This is Kyle's new super sport cross. I don't know what it's called, but it's pretty cool. Basically a wagon of what he has. I'm gonna show you what he has in a second, but damn, whoever's Lexus this is, whoever's E36 this is clean as fuck. It definitely settled more after driving. See how tucked that is. That's probably about as low as I want to stay. But let me show y'all Kyle's car. I don't think I've ever put it on the channel. Yeah. Sheesh. Yeah, man. Look at that seat. Tiger, leopard, whatever. This thing fucks. He made these clears himself. Go check out his TikTok. You know, get right. You got an IS, he'll show you how to do one. He straight cut that thing up like Michael Myers, boy. No hesitation about it. If y'all are gonna ask me the body kit, there it is right there. Musk body kit. Look at that over fender, boy. That's something serious right there. Don't play with him. Look at that. Sheesh. R32. My next car right here. Little Supra, right-hand drive on BBS's. Soar, R32, R32. I don't think I've ever seen one of these like just be track car. Not in person, at least. I really want one of these. I want a lot of cars. If you guys subscribe, You guys subscribe. Maybe one day we'll have a fleet. But yeah, I don't ever mind like doing the drive here because I always get to see some cool ass cars. But look at this thing. Just sitting on, I don't know whose it is. Maybe I might buy it from him. Green means good, I guess. This right here kind of has nothing to do with this, where this video is going, but I just wanted to put this in the video. This came all the way from my dog Tyler. If you don't know, I'm gonna put all his socials up right now. E36 Tyler on Instagram, and TJ Media on YouTube. Yeah, man, shout out to him, bro. I literally posted that one video, like I think it was a video ago. I posted saying that I wanted to get this shift knob maybe in the future, and he hit me up and he was like, yo, I have some shift knobs if you want. And I was like, yeah, bro, how much you want? And he just straight up sent it out to me. I told him, like, yo, I'll take this one looks pretty sick. And I was expecting just to, you know, get this in the mail, and he hooked it up with both of them for me to just pick from. And he also hooked it up with these R-tab reinforcement plates. So like, yeah, man, shout out to you. Go make sure you guys go check out his channel. I'll link it below too. We're both trying to grind, hit 1K before the end of the year. So yeah, man, don't forget to hit that subscribe. Go check out the homie, he really deserved it. He's been putting in that work. I'm gonna go put in this little shift knob for you guys to see, because I was rocking one that was a 6-speed shift knob, and I haven't seen anybody use this one, so I'm pretty stoked on it. 6-speed. Pull this thing out. Oh, look at that. Damn. Hell yeah. Shout out to you, Tyler. Appreciate you big time, bro. And this is how the car's sitting now. If you ask me, I'm pretty happy with it. That's how the rear, and then front still gonna get a spacer here pretty soon. I haven't decided which one or what size, but yeah. And just to remind everybody, that is just my opinion, that this is the best spec. Obviously, if you have the staggered set, you should get the 215 for the 9, but from my set, I believe that this was the best spec for a tire and for its look. I think it speaks for itself. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Did you like the Meteor setup, pause, or did you like the rotiforms? I'm super happy with it. It was a little bit more expensive to switch wheels and get everything set up, but I wanted to make sure it was proper, so I don't mind spending the extra bucks. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like. Don't forget to comment what you thought, how the car's looking now, and don't forget to subscribe, because new videos almost every Friday. And yeah, help us get to 1K, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.